Hi, my name is Josh Page, and the reason why I think I'm qualified for this position are a couple main reasons. The first reason is my work ethic, whether it was being in college or high school or in any organizations I've been in, whether it's my fraternity or when I was in sports in high school and intramurals in college. I've always put my best foot forward and made sure that every day I came into work or came into school, I was learning something that day and making sure that I was getting better day by day. This is what has propelled me to get my marketing internship my at the end of my junior year, and I was able to continue working with them after moving back to Florida and continue working on their social media and their website. I gained a lot of skills from that, including communication skills, how to work with a higher up, with a boss, knowing the dynamic between you and your boss, and making sure that whenever there's something that needs to be prepared, that I am prepared. Thank you.